how to log in another account in Instagram. Now, let's say you want to log in your other account on Instagram, but you're currently logged into one account. Now, all you have to do to log into your another account is to click on this profile icon right here. And let's say you want to log into your another account right now. All you have to do is to click on this username right here. And you will be able to see that you can pretty much switch account that easily. Let's say right here. After I click that, I am able to switch my account to my another account. But let's say your another account that you have still isn't logged in to this Instagram app. So all you have to do is to click your username right here again and click on Add Instagram Account. Now you can just log into your another existing account, or you can create a new account. Let's say right here. And you will be able to log into your another account by filling up your username as well as your password. So that's how to log in another account in Instagram.